Hello, hi, good morning, my dear friends and students. I hope all are doing well and good. Myself, B. Ravi. Welcome back to Ravi Math Space YouTube channel for math education. So, you are first time watching my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon button for more updates. Today, this video is very most important to CBSE students. We got big update from CBSE board, that is 2022-23 mathematics question paper has been released. So now we will discuss this year question paper pattern. I will explain very simple manner, you can understand very easily. Okay, this question paper consists 5 sections, that are A, B, C, D, E. Section A contains 20 multiple choice question. Each question carry 1 mark. Now, next section is B. This section consists 5 questions. Each questions carry 2 marks. Each question carry 2 marks. Next section C. This section consists 6 questions. Each question carry 3 marks. Next section D. This section consists 4 questions. Each question carry 5 marks. This is for very big updates for CBSE students. So 1 question 5 marks. Next section is E. This section consists 3 case study questions. 3 case study questions. Each question 4 marks. Each question 4 marks. Each question 4 marks. This is the pattern of question paper. Okay, once see on the board, I have written here very perfectly and thoroughly here pattern. Once check out. So, total we have a 5 sections. What are those? A, B, C, D, E. So, first section A contains 20, how many MCQs? Remember here 20 multiple choice questions. So, these 20 multiple choice question all you should write. There is no choice. There is no choice. Remember this word. There is no choice. So 20 questions you should write. So without choice here. Now each question carry 1 mark. Total 20 marks. So this is about the first section. Now section B contains 5 questions. How many questions? 5 questions. So out of 5 questions, 2 questions will have choice. 2 questions will have choice. So each question 2 marks, total 10 marks. Total 10 marks. Come to third section, that is C. That is C. This section contains 6 questions. 6 questions. Out of 6 questions, 2 questions will have choice. How many questions? 2 questions will have choice. Each question carry 3 marks. Total 18 marks. Total 18 marks. Come to next section, that is D. This section has 4 questions. Out of 4 questions, 2 questions will have choice. 2 questions will have choice. Each question has 5 marks. Each question carry 5 marks. Total 20 marks. Total 20 marks. Next one is section E. Section E has 3 case-based integrated units of assessment. What it is? Integrated units of assessment. What is this integrated unit of assessment? Everything I will explain. Everything I will explain. No need to worry, CBSE students. I will explain clearly manner. So total 3 case based integrated units of assessment. So we have so in this, what it is now? Each question 4 marks. For that again, that section is 4 marks divided as 3 questions. 1 mark, 1 mark, 2 marks. This 2 marks question has a choice. These 2 marks questions will have 1 choice questions. Total 3 case study questions contain how many marks? 12 marks. 12 marks. Total how many questions we have to attempt in the examination? Once see here. 20 MCQs plus 5, 25 plus 6, 31 plus 4, 35. Now plus 3, 38 questions. 38 questions. So we have to attempt 38 questions. Please start the preparation according to the same pattern. So we have a total time is, examination time is 3 hours. Total marks is 80. So total marks is prepare. So be ready for examination based on this question paper pattern. So this is the very simple manner pattern, you can understand very easily. So based on that you can start the preparation. So don't waste the time. So start the preparation for examinations. Okay, once we will see the CBSE board has been released one question paper, mathematics standard question paper. Once we have to see that question paper, I will provide the question paper link in the description box. You can download the question paper. Once go through it and revise properly and perfectly. Okay. Total time allowed 3 hours. Maximum marks is 80 marks. General instructions already I have explained here clearly. Now see, first section A, what I told here, so 20 MCQs without choice. Once see how section A consists of 20 questions of 1 mark each. This like this we will get 20 questions. This is now come to section B. Section B consists of 5 questions of 2 marks each. How many questions? 5 questions, 2 marks each. Now, these 5 questions, out of 5 questions, 2 questions will have choice. Now, once check out here where provided choice here. 21 questions, no choice. 22, no choice. 23, no choice. So, 24 and 25th questions here provided choice. Okay, next. Section C. So section C consists 6 questions of 3 marks each. Now check out here. Here also out of 6 questions, 2 questions will have choice here. So now first question no choice here. 28th question and 30th question provided choice here. Come to next section, that is section D. Section D consists of 4 questions of 5 marks each. So 4 questions. In these 2 questions will have choice here. In the case 32 questions here choice has here. Next 34 questions. 34 question has here choice. Okay. 35. Next, come to section E. Case study based questions are compulsory. Total, we have 3 case based questions. Now, once see here, so 36. So, this is the pattern of case study questions. So, they will provide the information based on the information. So, we have to solve the given questions and write the solutions. In this, we have a choice for 2 marks question. Total we have 3 questions, 1 mark, 2 marks. So 2 marks question will have choice here. So like this we will get the 3 case based questions, 37, 38. Total 38 questions compulsory you have to attempt. So pattern is very medium pattern is given here, provided for this year. So thoroughly prepare for examinations. Otherwise time is not sufficient. Time is not sufficient. So please learn the concept thoroughly and perfectly. Then only time is sufficient. Otherwise time is not sufficient. Because of time, so many children will lose the marks. So the concept preparation should be thoroughly and smartly. Very important. Remember, smart work you should do. Smart work is very most important here. Okay, I hope understand the pattern of question paper. Pattern of question paper for this year. Let's start the preparation thoroughly and perfectly. Be ready for examination. All the best. If you understand the concept, please subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon button for more updates. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe channel. So encourage my channel. Thank you. Signing off. Bye bye.